welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. AAP suspects Reliance Power scam in Goa too. State paid exorbitant tariff on Reliance Power. Thousands of crores lost to exchequer. Tenders manipulated, says Manish Sisodia in Head-On. Collision between a Qualis and two motorbikes at Shiroda leaves one rider dead, 4 critical in GMC Bamboli, 8 travellers injured. Forne police arrests driver, he is the culprit. Election Commission introduces new system in Goa to gather polling data during Lok Sabha election. All polling stations to continuously update on voting percentage and complaints redressal. Churchill Alema promises to scrap MOPA project and get relief to mining dependents. Slams Parikar John Fernandez. Pledges to fulfill promises if elected. And Shigmo festival culminates on the eve of Gudi Padwa. Gulal at Dhargar and Shigmo at Kukare mark culmination. Veerbhadra at Forne and Bicholi enthrall audience. Now news in detail. AAP, like in Delhi, smells a scam in Reliance Power purchase deal in Goa too. Successive governments in Goa paid exorbitant tariff on Reliance Power for last 19 years, resulting in a loss of thousands of crores to the state exchequer. This is the claim of Delhi MLA and AAP senior leader Manish Sisodia. He claims that the tenders were manipulated so that Reliance gets the naphtha-based power plant project in Goa. Sisodia was speaking exclusively to Prudent in our weekly Head-On.
और एक बड़ी चीज जो गोवा के बारे में है वो गुजरात के बारे में बताती है कि इस देश को अंबानी और अडानी जैसे लोग चला रहे हैं। गोवा में 1995 से रिलायंस के हाथों में खेल रही है सरकार बिजली के मामले में। बाकी सारी कंपनियों से 3 रुपये में खरीद रही है, 4 रुपये में खरीद रही है, उससे भी कम में खरीद रही है। रिलायंस से जब खरीदने की बारी आती है तो 15 रुपये में खरीदती है बिजली, और कांग्रेस भी खरीदती रही है और बीजेपी भी खरीदती रही है। पिछले साल उसको 9 रुपये किया गया, पर अभी भी 9 रुपये और 3 रुपये में बहुत अंतर है कि लोगों को लूटा जा रहा है। 25,000 करोड़ का स्कैम पे कुछ नहीं कर रहे। तो मुझे बताइए कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इनको नहीं चलाना आ रहा या हमको नहीं चलाना आ रहा? यहाँ पे एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट निकाला गया, वही जो बिजली वाला मैं बता रहा हूँ, उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा गया कि सिर्फ वही बिजली कंपनी अप्लाई कर सकती है जिनको नाफ्ता का एक्सपीरियंस होगा। ये पूरा का पूरा टेंडर मैनिपुलेट कर देते हैं। ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चलाना कहते हैं। ये
आप तो मीडिया से रिलेटेड है, क्या आपको लगता है कि इतना मीडिया गंदा हो चुका है कि आम आदमी पार्टी जैसे एक नया एक्सपेरिमेंट है, हमारे गणतंत्र के लिए अच्छा एक्सपेरिमेंट है, उसको भी नीचे खींचने का काम मीडिया करेगा? मीडिया का हिस्सा तो बहुत कर रहा है। मीडिया आपको पन्ने पे पन्ने दिखाता था, 24 घंटा आपका अनइंटरप्टेड कवरेज करता था। उस वक्त ये मीडिया आपको गलत नहीं लगा? नहीं, उस वक्त हमको नहीं। या उस वक्त अंबानी नहीं थे, उस वक्त अडानी नहीं थे और अभी आ गए? उस वक्त भी अंबानी थे, उस वक्त भी अडानी थे। इस मीडिया की वजह से ही वो लोग डर गए। एक समय पे मीडिया ठीक काम कर रहा था, हमने तो नहीं कहा जी हमें दिखाओ, हमने तो नहीं कहा जी हम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। मीडिया को लगा अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, मीडिया ने दिखाया। लेकिन मीडिया जो हम आज भी नहीं कह रहे मीडिया हमें दिखाए, हम नहीं कह रहे हमारे ऊपर 10-10 पेज खर्च करें, हम तो कह रहे हैं एक कॉलम ना खर्च करें। पर आप अगर एक लाइन भी लिखो तो फैक्चुअली करेक्ट है।
In a head-on collision, a Qualis dashed 2 motorbikes, killing a rider on the spot and leaving 4 others critical. All 4 are undergoing treatment at GMC in Bamboli, whereas 8 travellers from the Qualis are safe with minor injuries. 15 people injured in the incident were immediately shifted to the Shiroda Health Centre. People informed that the Qualis driver was driving rash and negligently. Forne police have arrested the driver.
It was a tragic accident at Shiroda near police outpost on Sunday afternoon. A Qualis dashed 2 motorbikes. One rider died on the spot and the pillion rider is critical and is undergoing treatment at GMC along with 4 others on the bikes critically injured. 3 persons were travelling on one motorbike. They got injured in the collision. 8 travellers from Qualis were shifted to Shiroda Health Centre for treatment. In all, 15 people were injured in the collision. An eyewitness, Jerome Colasso, informed that the Qualis driver was driving negligently and it's his mistake.
शिरोड्याच्यान वयतालो तेन्ना एक कॉलिस ओवरटेक करून गेली म्हाका आनी फुडें मागीर ओवरटेक करून तो फास्ट गेलो आनी थिंगा शिरोडा पुलीस स्टेशना कडेन एक 2-3 जाण मोटरसायकलीक तेणी धपको मारून ते 5 जाण लोकांक उडयलो. तितून एकटो दादलो आहलो तो ऑन द स्पॉट गेलो आनी ते ऑन द स्पॉट गेलो आनी ती मोटरसायकल सगळी पुलीस स्टेशनान भितर पडली आनी कॉलिस पोत्ती पडली. मागीर तेन्ना ती सगळी पडली आनी तांकां सगल्यांक मार लागलो. एम्बुलन्स सांपयली. मागीर एम्बुलन्स 108 येयले, दोन येयले. तेन्ना आमी सांगलें 5 जाण डॅमेज जाल्या. तेन्ना एम्बुलन्स येयल्यो. एम्बुलन्सान मागीर सगळ्यांक घालून हेल्थान वयलो, शिरोडा हेल्थान वयलो. हेल्थान मागीर थिंगा सगल्यांक हें केलें आनी 2-3 जाणांक भरपूर मार लागलो. ती मातशें सिरियस. एकट्याचो पांयो डॅमेज जाला, एकट्याच्या हार्टीक डॅमेज जाल्या आनी एकट्याक हात डॅमेज जाल्या. सगल्यांक डॅमेज जावन हे भुरग्यान उडयलो.
Ponda police have arrested driver of the Qualis, Harivappa Harijan. Reporters Mayur Naik and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Goa's poll machinery is going high-tech as years pass by. The Election Commission has introduced a new system in Goa to gather polling data during the Lok Sabha elections. Goa Electronics has developed a special software which will e-connect all the polling stations. Booth-level officers will send SMS in case of any queries regarding electronic voting machines or voters' identity. It will also update voting percentage while on the polling is on.
Gather the actual polling data from all the 1622 polling stations, and for that purpose we have Goa Electronics Limited has already prepared a software. We have trained our BLOs, booth level officers, to send SMSs, 5 such SMSs about the total number of voters who cast their vote, male, female, 18 years. All such data would be sent by SMSs by BLOs to a central server location. So this location, the server would be updated automatically and we will be getting data.
Commission has introduced Campus Ambassador to motivate young voters.
And we have identified all major higher education institutions where we have appointed campus ambassadors.
Election Commission has deployed 35 flying squads to keep a strict vigil during the elections.
In North Goa, we have 15 flying squads, and in South Goa, 20 flying squads. Total 35 flying squads are being deployed. In each of the district, you have one media monitoring committee. You have total 27 video surveillance team and 6 video viewing team in North Goa and 7 in South Goa, so that makes 13. Total 15 static surveillance team. Apart from this, to check the illicit movement of liquor, we have 6 teams in each of the districts of Excise Department working.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.